If you cannot identify how to open your air conditioning unit, stop and gather identifying information before attempting any disassembly. Locate the unit model number and brand on the nameplate, which is usually on the outdoor condenser cabinet or the indoor air handler near the access panel. Write down the full model and serial numbers and the exact wording of any part numbers. Use the model information to search the manufacturer website for the owner manual and installation guide and download the exact manual for your model. Manuals will show which panels are user accessible, what fasteners are safety critical, and any warnings about capacitors or refrigerant. If a manual is unavailable, search video sites for the brand and model number plus phrases like how to open, access panel removal, or filter replacement to watch someone perform the same service step by step. When tools are needed, use the correct driver and avoid forcing screws or prying plastic tabs, as that breaks clips and can ruin the enclosure. If a fastener seems stripped, stop and change to a proper extractor or seek professional help. Always isolate power at the service disconnect and verify there is no power with a non-contact voltage tester before touching electrical components. And never attempt to access sealed refrigerant circuits or compressor terminals. If the unit has visible refrigerant service ports or a locked cabinet, that indicates authorized service only, and you should arrange a qualified technician visit. The three most common mistakes are forcing panels and breaking plastic clips, opening panels with live electrical power still connected, and assuming every unit opens the same way. For broken clips, do not keep tearing at the panel. Remove adjacent fasteners and gently work the panel until it eases out, or replace the clip with a matching part from the manufacturer. If you find power still present, resecure the disconnect and call a technician if you cannot confirm power is off with a tester. If you assume similarity across brands and you cannot find clear guidance from the model documentation or videos, stop and take photos of the unit and reach out to the manufacturer or a professional to avoid costly mistakes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us search listings and community discussion threads for people who have completed similar work on comparable air conditioning models. We also help contractors find work by giving us a place to answer questions, share expertise, and connect with homeowners who need troubleshooting and maintenance services.